Friend, hope everyone is fine. As you can see that I make this a portable pen drive window 10. Now I will talk about how to install this. Now I will insert this in my other computer. The computer which I want, this is Windows 7. I want to I want to install Windows 10. So before, as you once you making window with the roughs, you can go to the management manager and see that use computers mbr. Okay, go to disk management, and my disk management is all about what is 378 is dynamic. Right click on it, see the properties, see the detail volumes. It's mbr master board record. Okay, that's why while creating a window 10 I select mbr. Now to install Windows 10 with this pen drive, as I create it, I will insert this in my computer here. Okay, I install this. Now it's, as you can see, Windows 10. I will restart my PC. See it? It's the Windows 10 which I created now. I will now install Windows 10 on my this system. So it very much easy. The process is start from here. Now I will restart my PC. Okay, restart my PC, and then I will to install Windows 10 on my this system. Then I will press F9 or F12. Okay. Okay, booting. Okay, booting is now started. I press any key. Now window is started. You will also see the same on the screen. If you plug this, and it's a window bootable pen drive, and as you can see on the screen say press any key to install window. Now I'm waiting for this. Pause, and then after back with resume. Look, it's the window I created now. Okay, so I will click next, install window now. Click on install window now. This is the USB or pen drive which I now make it bootable with Windows 10. Setup is started now. I will accept this license try and will click next. Now custom, click on custom install, and here is a partition. The partition is this one. Okay, this is this are other partition. I will install on this. I will format this partition first. If you do not, you can click on next, but I want a less for take a less for Windows 10. Create one other drive for my data to keep it in here. So I format this partition where the window install. It's will take some time. You can do that in the window. The partition is now formatted. Now if I click on new, what has happened? Let me refresh it. What has happened? Once again I will format it. Format, click on format, click on OK to see it formatted or not. Okay friend, I need to create a new partition which is not present. Now I'll click on next to install my window. Now window is installing on my system. So let me pause the video and once this process done, I will resume it. So this is my system. I'm installing Windows 10 on this and doing it with the pin drive, making it bootable in front of you. This is Windows 10, so wait for it. Once all that done, is 59% done. Still waiting, copying file, getting file ready for installation, 60% done. Installing features, installing update, finishing. So installing Windows, still waiting for that. So 78% done, still waiting for this. The Windows setup, getting file ready, 96% done, 100% done. Installing update, finishing up. Is Windows 7. It take 10 minutes when installing window, and after we waiting. So this will come. Windows 10 need to be restart now, or it will restart up their own. This process also come. As you can see, the window is done now, finishing now. It's restart now again, but you will not press any key at this time, so that the setup will again start in the same. Leave it. When first try, you try plug this and it's a press any key. You can press any key at that time, like that, to press any time. But after install the setup, you will not be pleased to be pressing a key. Okay, you can see Windows 10. There you go with it into Windows 10. It's getting Windows started, start services. Now give it some time. Starting services. Getting device ready. 25%. Now it go to 75%. So it's 100%. Getting ready. Waiting for it. I buy this laptop in UAE, United Arab Emirates, in Dubai, 3,000 UAE dirham. It's now of 10-year old. Getting ready, taking some time. Oh, it's now getting ready, waiting for it. Once press any key, but you can't, do not press in this time again. Maybe it's ready now, the window is ready now, or it needs some more process. Just a moment. Hello, now it started. United States, click on yes. Okay, click on yes. Just a moment, some basic things to be done to install this window with the help of pendrive. Now click on US keyboard, click yes. Now skip this. Some moment, give it just a moment. Here to put any name like okay. Now go next. Here you can put your password. So click next, confirm password, click next. So some security question. Now 3 questions, just a moment. बस खाली विंडो दो स्लॉट की वैसी Madara accept. It's a hi. System is ready now. We are getting everything ready for you. So okay, please wait just a page. Wait. This might take several time. Don't turn off your PC. This might take several minutes. Please wait. Don't turn off your PC. Please wait. Leave everything to us. This is saying by the Windows 10 I am installing now. So hope you will learn this video how to install Windows 10. First how to make a bootable window pen drive window ready like this, and then you learn how to install. Almost there. So please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is the window I install right now. It's look at this. Microsoft Edge is already there. It's ready. Now this is the installation of how to install Windows 10. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can see here is the window and here is what. So if I go here, this is my window PC. First there was a Windows 10. Now it's is this PC. Click this PC, click it. So almost there. Look at this. Okay, this is the system. This is the window. I install that, and my other drive are here. The window is also installed here. So see you with another video very soon. If you any issue, please comment here. But give me most likes. ये विंडो इंस्टॉल करने का तरीका था, आपको बताया ये भी कि किस तरह से इसको हम पेन ड्राइव में तब्दील कर सकते हैं, वो भी इसकी मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे रहा हूँ। और इसको रेडी करने के बाद विंडो के लिए तो मैंने विंडो भी इंस्टॉल किया आपके सामने मेरे कंप्यूटर पे, ठीक है, विंडो 10। सो बाय बाय एंड सी यू विद अनदर वीडियो वेरी सून, बट लाइक इट प्लीज़।